Hi guys, I'm in the Philippines with little Mala because her birthday tomorrow. Happy birthday!
Birthday.
We will buy ice cream because Mala birthday. How about Kuya? What you want Kuya? You want cake also for Mala?
Yeah.
You want cake Kuya? I will buy Kuya. Yeah, what cake you want?
I want strawberry.
Strawberry? You don't want the Black Forest?
Yun na lang.
Alin? Ha?
Black Forest. Hindi naman alam mo pinagsasabi mo.
Pero gusto mo ba yung Kuya? Black Forest?
And black forest.
Oh. It's delicious.
You want?
Okay, we will buy in Red Ribbon Black Forest.
Because Kuya want it and Mara will want it.
Yeah. We will buy when we go there, we will buy Black Forest.
You will like the chocolate.
Yeah, see? Kuya knows that one. How you know that, Kuya?
Ayoko.
Oh, you almost finish, ah?
You vlogging?
Mala, we are still videoing here and you are not here. You said we will vlog together.
Mom,
Because you're still drinking.
I finished.
it's okay.